The objective of this lesson is to be able to understand the substitute formula in Excel. So what does the substitute formula do? Basically, it will look for a certain text within another text and it will replace it. So for example, I can look for 23 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and replace it by ABC. So let's deep dive into it so we can understand it better. I'm going to start with the first example. I'm going to write equals substitute, and then I need to check my text. My text is basically the text I'm looking at to replace something. Then you have the old text. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for 23 within this cell. Then comma, what is my new text? ABC. And then the instance, I'm going to use 1 for now, and I'm going to explain to you this in the second example. So let's first understand what we get. So as you can see, it found 23, it replaced it with ABC, and then it gave me the answer. Now, if I drag this formula down, I'm just going to do this so you can see better. What I've changed here in this formula is the instance. So I put instance 2. And as you can see, my text has 23 two times, here and at the end of the text. So when I select my instance as 2, for example, it will look for the second time you find 23 and replace only the second time with ABC. And as you can see, it left the first 23 alone and it gave me ABC at the end. The same formula could be applied for text. So if I drag it and again I have substitute this text here with AAA, as you can see, I selected my first instance and I get AAA DEF. The last thing I want to show you is that this formula is case sensitive. So here I have ABC in capital letter and here ABC is in lowercase, right? So if I drag the formula, you can see that nothing happened. Why nothing happened? Because this is case sensitive. So although it found this in the text, because it's not the same case, it will not replace it with AAA.